Hi guys, I came here yesterday to fly a little aeroplane over on the park there. Then I had to go with my compressed air engine car in here because there was nobody here, and I noticed the surface this is made from is that sort of rubbery stuff, so I thought I'd give this car a run because this one suffers terribly from poor grip. Just so you try the DigiHud speedometer, see what maximum speed we can get, see if we can get it to go in a straight line. The only thing is, as you can see from the spots on here, it's starting to rain, so that might negate the better grip. It might be wet and slippery, but I'm going to give it a try anyway because we've come here and I want to get it done. Oh. Didn't get very straight there. I'll reduce the steering a little bit. So what have we got? 7.82 maximum and 6.11 average. So that's probably the truth. So that'll do. Still slipping around a bit, but I think that's probably as good as we're going to get from here. It's a good flat surface, not too bouncy, and we've got 7.82.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.